Welcome. Learn how to write an effective nursing essay with these essential tips. First, understand the assignment. Carefully read the prompt to determine what's being asked. Identify the type of essay required, whether it's descriptive, analytical, or reflective. Pay attention to any specific guidelines or criteria provided, such as word count, format, and due date. Next, research and gather information. Use reputable sources like academic journals, textbooks, and credible websites. Nursing essays often require evidence-based research, so look for peer-reviewed articles and clinical studies. Take detailed notes and organize your research to make it easier when you start writing. Develop a clear thesis statement. Your thesis should convey the main argument or purpose of your essay. It should be specific, giving your reader a clear idea of what to expect. For example, this essay will examine the impact of effective communication in patient care and its role in improving health outcomes. Create an outline to organize your thoughts and structure your essay. Struggling to keep up with your studies? This secret will change the way you study forever. Download the Student Survival Kit now. Just click the link in the description. A typical nursing essay includes an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Outline the main points you want to cover in each section. This will help you stay focused and ensure a logical flow of ideas. Start with a strong introduction. Begin with a hook to grab the reader's attention. This could be a surprising fact, a question, or a brief anecdote related to your topic. Provide some background information to set the context and end with your thesis statement. The introduction should set the stage for the rest of your essay. Write the body paragraphs, each focused on a single main point. Start with a topic sentence that introduces the point, followed by evidence and examples to support it. Use data, quotes from experts, and case studies as evidence. Analyze and explain how this evidence supports your thesis. Ensure each paragraph flows logically to the next. In some essays, it's important to address counterarguments, present opposing viewpoints, and refute them with evidence. This shows you've considered different perspectives and strengthens your argument. Write a strong conclusion. Summarize the main points of your essay and restate your thesis in a new light. Highlight the significance of your findings and, if applicable, suggest further research or implications for nursing practice. Your conclusion should leave a lasting impression on the reader. Finally, revise and proofread your essay. Check for clarity, coherence, and logical flow. Ensure your arguments are well supported and your essay meets the assignment criteria. Correct any grammar, spelling, or punctuation errors. Reading your essay aloud or having someone else review it can help catch mistakes you might have missed. Writing a nursing essay involves understanding the assignment, conducting thorough research, developing a clear thesis, and organizing your thoughts into a structured format. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to creating a compelling and well-written essay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more writing tips and nursing content. See you next time.